This is a product review of the wide platform pistol grip camera handle by Poyinco. So as you can see, both of these are broken, and that's why I think this review is kind of important. So warning to the wise. So this one is broken. This got ripped out the bottom. This one is obviously broken. Why is this broken? Because there's absolutely nothing holding this together except these 4 extremely tiny screws. Now, before I bought this, I did reach out to the seller on Amazon as to what the weight capacity was of these items, and got no reply. Well, whatever it is, it's not a lot. And what did I get these for, and why do I have 2 of them? I wanted them for my gimbal here. So as you can see, I have 2 other handles that I'm using on this now, which I'll review later. So what can I say about these? So any good thing would be that they're like a perfect size. I do not have small hands, so yeah, they're just big enough to fit, and the grip is really good. This is exactly the kind of grip I wanted, just something hefty with a pistol style with the finger grips. And they look good, but wow, they just are not built well. And you know, like $10 handle. So if you have an expensive camera, I would not use these, even if I wasn't using a heavier device like a gimbal. But honestly, even just a dab of industrial adhesive on this along with the screws would have increased the strength tenfold, but you know, not even that. In any case, I am returning these. And of course, when this broke, I had my Canon 90D up on this Weevil S, and it almost destroyed my whole rig when this thing popped off. Anyway, so that concludes this review.